Hello my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today I'm going to show you how I made this piece. It's obviously a triptych and it was huge and I really debated how I was going to show it to you in one piece, and this is the best I can do. It's called Dancing in the Moonlight. It has a special meaning for me because it was a theme for our senior prom night and I was asked to do a mural for the stage for it. It was huge. It took me weeks to paint, weeks. And it was a bit of a bittersweet thing because I never did get asked to go to the prom, so I never went. I actually never went to a prom. Can you believe that? So it's kind of like, wow, I think I'll celebrate that. And so I added a whole lot of silver to this piece because it is the moon after all, and blue, and I love this blue. It's artsy blue, it's brilliant and gorgeous. It's probably my favorite blue color. I sprayed a really beautiful silver spray on it, so it's a brilliant silver. It's not just a silver type of thing. It actually comes in a spray bottle and it's pretty caustic, so I had to do it in another area. I place a lot of cells in here and I just put a ton of glass into the piece, just a ton, just to make it so brilliant and beautiful and really clear when you look at the glass from the side. It's just really beautiful. It's very large and it's see-through, it has no bubbles, it's just mirror-like. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you after. Welcome back. Falling over. I hope you enjoyed my video and the creation of this piece. It was really a difficult one to make, just huge. It took several panels and days, really. I appreciate if you give me a thumbs up for my videos and also subscribe to my channel. It helps me spread the love of art to as many people as I can. With that, thank you so much for watching. Until the next time.